So, Erin, can you see my screen of our agent hub?
Yes, we can.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, great. Thanks. So, to make it convenient for our B2B partners, we already create an agent hub where you can find all information about our product lines, what is the news, the destination, what's the marketing materials. So we already put up here, so it's more convenient for our partner to get it directly. So at first, when you can easily to sign up Agent Hub here, and when you sign up with the company name and your information, our team will review and will give you access to our agent hub. When you are a Threeland partners or you already have connection with us, and when you access to the agent hub for the homepage, the first page is on overview about. At first, that we will update about the destination news. If there any change on the destination, any news on destination, we will update here. When you put update here, it will automatically send you a notification to your email. To the email with any partner that already signed Hub. So we will try to update up-to-date news, whether it's the new flight connection or any destination issues or destination news or what is new to the product. We will update you frequently. And the second section is the upcoming event of Thailand travels in the years or the next year. So as you can see, thus we will attend ITB Asia, Singapore, ITB China, ITB India, WTM London, ITB Berlin. So you can directly send a meeting request here to us. And the third part of the first page is about the latest update. It means that when the team already update any files or document, it will show up here. So you can see the latest update of the file. And here the first overview page. And the important page is the product tariff. Here's we already serving for different markets, English-speaking markets, Spanish-speaking market, Italian-speaking markets. So depend on your destination, we will give you the access to the perspective destination. So here's the page for Netherlands markets. Here we will show you, you can easily filter destination. You are looking for product in Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, Myanmar, or more, or multi countries. And you can easily filter the tour duration here. And we already categorize what different travel styles. Even if your client are looking for classic program, active program, or sustainable program, or wellness, or luxury one, yeah, all the sample will display here, even the My Sample program. And you can filter here, and also filter by the price or group size, or even suitable market. And when you click filter, the tour will update here. For example, when I filter Vietnam and it's a classic tour for group, so it will show up here. And for we also update the function for set departure tour. For example, Jacqueline will update with you about product for set departure package for Netherlands markets. But for first list, we will show you the function that you can easily check the availabilities of our set departure tours here. For example, here are some set departure tours for our Spanish-speaking market. We will upload all the availabilities here, and you can see the details. And here the detail of the tours. And you can, it's in the calendar, you can show the available date for departure, for example, 5 August in 2026, for example. So you can check the slot here. For example, here we have a 20 slot for this set departure tours. So you can choose the package, whether superiors or luxury one. And you can reserve person, the number of packs per group, for example. And you can select assign the bed, and then you can click to reserve the slot, and the team will get back to you to confirm. So it will be updated in real time, whether it still have a 10 slot left or 5 slot left. It will update automatically here. Okay, so also you can download all the details of the tours, like on the flight tables, and already divide into X package, standard, superior, also categorized in 3-star, 4-star, 5-star hotels. And here you can see all detailed itineraries here. Otherwise, you can download directly here. It's already saved in the Word files with all information of the tours. And we also show the hotel list here and with information of the hotels in the package. In case that's an example of our state departure tour with the availability checking option. And now we go back to the product tariff for Netherlands markets. Okay. As you can see, you can design the chip here if you want to send increase with the update, or want to adjust something in the itineraries. And you can view the detail here as same as the Spanish speaking version agent. Yeah, we own the details of what includes, what not include, and hotel categories. And you can download the brochure tour tariff here. So yeah, so our team will update for B2B partner here with own kind of travel styles. So it depends on your client interest and favorite. You can send direct requests here. And the third part is about our resource, where we update on about marketing materials like destination information about our countries. With the update, we will update annually. And with the travel tips, you can download it and get information with your client, or visa information about the visa procedure for client, and also our policies. As you know, that Threeland Travel is a travel life partner, so we are working towards sustainabilities. So we also update with our partners with our recommendation, as well as the code of conduct for each product here. And for any partners that's there also focus on my service, we also feature the my fact sheet here on the about the gala dinner venues, as well as the destination highlight for the MICE program, as well as the MICE sample programs, or some product proposal about the education tours, or adventure tour, or MICE profile win-win update here. So you can easy to find all marketing material here. And the fourth section about photo galleries. So if you want to select any tours, so you can feel free to direct on the photo here directly from our photo section. Thus, you can use this for your products. For example, your features we categorize in cities. So as you can see, when you select Vietnam, you can find photos of all the destination in Vietnam, and with the video as same as Cambodia. And on the photo that we take from our tour guides, and from our photo tours and from our reliable results. So you can easily to download here the picture here, or you can select one by one. Yeah, it depends on you. You can select picture that's suitable with your program or any selected program that you choose from our product tariff. So yeah, so that's on general information about AgentHub, and that can support to our partners. So to promoting the product as well as to know more about the destination.
Jenna, there are some questions in the chat. Cecilia is asking if the booking after review immediately is final, or is clicking on booking a request?
For sending for actual products, you can send a click on the book now button. So it's like a reservation request. It means that you already reserve the slot. So it could be the booking confirmation.
Okay.
But for other tours, like customized tours, so they can send the inquiry, so the team can get directly the inquiry and get back with the details and or customize based on the inquiry request. So we will update. Yeah. So if you find any set departure tab here, it means that you can directly reserve the slot in real time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anita is asking, if you made the tours for the client, is there a short PDF or something that we can send to the client? Well, you already showed you can download.
Okay, I got the parts. Yeah, currently is we already just you can see the download tour that right here. This means that we just design the in the Word files for our B2B client, but it's also a good idea that we can prepare the PDF file just for B2C clients. So you can download directly from here and send to your to your client. So we will note down. It's also a good idea that we will note down that. This means that we can make a ready-made program for B2C clients. So you can directly get it and send to your client.
And Dana is asking, after making the booking, do we have an optional reservation so we can send a travel proposal in the meantime?
Sorry, it means that when you click the reservation here, so you do not need to send another email.
I think she's meaning something else.
Yeah, can you make a clarify it for me?
Dana?
Yeah, can you clarify this question for me?
I'm going to ask Dana to, here she is. Oh, for how long can we cancel? That is what she's asking.
For cancellation, so we will update the cancellation policy on the product, so you can review the details on the tour program with cancellation policies.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends on the tour package. So our team will update directly on the product